Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you, the battle of the dash cams. On the left, we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Get ready because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a 1080p Full HD lens, providing outstanding image quality. But hold on to your seats because the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with a stunning 2.5K 1440p resolution. That's 70% more pixels than 1080p. It's like upgrading from watching a movie on your grandma's old TV to a state-of-the-art cinema. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities. The BOOGIIO dash cam front claims to have Ultra HD night vision, but the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi takes it to a whole new level with its f1.8 large aperture and super night vision technology. It's like having a superhero sidekick that ensures clear and sharp footage even in the darkest of nights. No more blurry blobs in your videos. When it comes to capturing the entire scene, the BOOGIIO dash cam front offers a 170 degrees wide angle with its 6G lens. But wait, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi goes even wider with a front 160 degrees wide angle. It's like having a panoramic view of the road, covering not just 3, but 4 lanes easily. You won't miss a single detail with this bad boy. Now let's talk about the extra features that these dash cams bring to the table. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes equipped with G-sensor, loop recording, motion detection, and superior night vision. But guess what? The E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi has all of that too, plus a 2.4G Wi-Fi app control. You can live stream, preview, download videos, and even share footage with your friends and family. It's like having a dash cam that's connected to the internet. Ah, the moment we've all been waiting for, the price tag. The BOOGIIO dash cam front is priced at $89, while the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi comes in at a slightly lower price of $79. It's like getting a discount on your own personal bodyguard for your car. And let's not forget, both products come with a free 32G SD card. Talk about a sweet deal. Based on online reviews, customers of BOOGIIO dash cam front for its good video and sound quality, ease of installation, and value for the price. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi has received positive feedback for its high-quality footage, user-friendly features, and excellent night vision capabilities. And there you have it, folks. The BOOGIIO dash cam front and the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi have battled it out, and both have their own unique strengths. Whether you prioritize video quality, night vision, or additional features, we hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to guide you through the world of products so you can buy with confidence. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.